morning, everybody. Today we are going to look at on a topic called distinctive competitiveness and strategic analysis. And under that, we'll see what is distinctive about all. So, distinctive competitiveness refers to the unique attribute and capabilities that set a company apart from its competitors and enable it to outperform them in the market. So, still now we have discussed about the creating distinctive and uniqueness in the market. So we are talking about the distinct feature that of an organization that of the competitors one. The competitors are also manufacturing the same product as yours. So how is it different from theirs? So that you can have a very good market and you can fetch the customers very easily. Then what the key elements of distinctive competitiveness are the differentiation. Differentiation involves offering product or services that are perceived and as unique or superior by customer. So your product is considered as a superior or the chosen one from that of your competitors. And companies achieve differentiation through product innovation, branding, quality, design, customer service, and other value added features. These are the features that help out an organization to reach its long term goal and sustain in the market. So, differentiation creates a competitive advantage by enabling a company to command higher price and build customer loyalty. So, customer loyalty play a vital role. So, unless and until you give a quality and a quantitative product at right price and right time, your product has a very good name and brand that is being created. So you are becoming more loyal to your customer. So you can have more number of customer by word of mouth, advertisement, and other things, right? So as a differentiation concept, you have to first creation of you have to create a strategy to have a distinctiveness. So for that, first and foremost, you have to concentrate on social responsibility, what you are going to do. Then the managerial values, what are the values you have calculated for the customers inside and outside. Then implementation of strategy, what strategy you are going to plan and implement in your organization. Then comes the evaluation and choice of strategy that you're going to select, and key success factor, what are the factors that would influence internally and externally, and how you would succeed them, and you have a win-win situation. Okay. Then distinctive competitiveness is the main part in the ultimately in this journey or cycle of strategic formulation. Then cost leadership involves becoming the lowest cost product producer or provider in the industry. So everybody is economically framed, right? Everybody is considering things to be bought in a lower cost. Nobody wants things to be bought in higher cost unless and until they have some brand or some sort of criteria that they have framed. So that is higher end of creamy layers who spend a lot, but the most of the public that who are going to be your customers are cost planners. So the companies have to give the product at minimum cost, and companies achieve cost leadership through economics of scale, efficient operations, supply chain management, and cost saving innovation. These four play a vital role where you have to balance the cost in these areas so that the cost of the ultimate outcome of the end product will be of minimum cost. So cost leadership enables a company to offer competitive pricing, capturing market shares, and generate higher profits. So once your product is at low cost and of good quality, you're going to have a very good market, and obviously you're going to make a very good profit out of it. Then focus involves concentration effort on a specific market segment, niche market, or customer group. You are going to focus finally. Then creation and sustainable distinctive competitiveness. So strategic positioning plays a vital role. So where you are being positioned, what is the exact layer, creamy layer, or the below the creamy layer, or the base, or the general products that we get in the market. So that is main here. So how we are going to position, how we are going to catch up a place for your product in the big market, and a very good customers that they follow your product loyally. Then resource allocation, how you allocate resources as raw materials that have to be planned. Then organization culture and leadership. So when an organization is to adapt a new things, or they have to manufacture a more number, so how we are going to plan how the organization culture inside your organization, how it is the supplier to the end customer, what how is the culture going on. You have to plan all these things, and how as a leader how you are going to play a role there. Conclusion, distinctive competitiveness is the core stone of the sustainable success in today's dynamic and competitive business environment. So distinctive competitiveness plays a vital role. So it is a core, basic core that you have to satisfy, and this is how you can sustain in the market. By differentiating themselves, achieving cost leadership, focusing on specific product segment, companies can create value for customers, outperform competitors. So to overcome the product of that of your competitors, how we are going to plan the cost of your product, and how we are going to attain cost leadership, well, that all is to be framed using distinctive competitiveness. Then the second point that you have to concentrate here is on the focusing of a specific market segment in each market and other things where you are going to find your customer and sell your product. Then strategic positioning, resource allocation, and organization culture are key drives of distinctive competitiveness, requiring careful planning, execution, and continuous improvement. So where there is, you have started something, there should always be a continuous improvement, and you have to overcome all sort of interior and exterior factors that influences, and you have to sustain in the market. So you have to plan a very good strategy to overcome all these situations. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Thank you.